computer, you can control each and every parameter of including sun, light, rain, moisture and everything. The farmer got these parameters and he started working. He said to all the farmer fraternity, he put the crops this year and we would have going to have jumbo crops because the God has given me this authority. Anyway, he calculated all the parameters, how much rain is required, how much sun is required, how much moisture is required, and they grow this wheat, and the wheat crops started growing up. Now, with the controlled parameter, the crops which were supposed to 1 feet high, it becomes 2 feet high. In 2 months' time, it becomes 6 feet high. Since all the parameters was maybe calculated, so crops was looking everywhere green. The farmer was very happy that this year we would have good crops. But after 3 months, when the time comes to cut the crops, they put it in bundle, and when the thresher comes, which takes out the seeds, there is no wheat, just only stalks. There was no seeds. Wheat takes place inside. Then all the farmers go haywire. They went back to the God. What is the reason, sir? Maybe we have done everything. And then the God said, look, you are the in charge. You reply me. Then he said, hey Prabhu, tell me what is the reason. Then God said, well, the crops does not take place that way. When it is required sun, if I give the rain, and if it is rain required, then I give the sun. Maybe it is not equal parameters. Then the wheat, the seed, takes out its inner juices to convert to the seeds. The wheat crops take out its inner juices to convert the seeds. So the wheat is formed. It means that if we work hard, and if our requirement is there, then we would convert our intelligence, our other things into the practical form. So that any time we should not get probably puzzled with any kind of the problems, so that the problems makes man more stronger, just like a wheat. If his father would have given him too much money, then he would have not done this job.
Correct.
Since I do not have money, we are thinking to probably grow on that. That's why we are putting more effort on to do that.
We are testing our wisdom.
Yes. So that is the case. Anyway, now you can go.
What's your name?
My name is Mahendra.
Where are you
Baba
from?
Mahendra Singh.
Where are you from?
India.
Which part?
Which part?
Give the full. We'd like to ask. Please give the full introduction so that our the public can understand about the Baba's.
I will
lecture.
when I come to
Talk nicely, quick. I go to on
Really?
Facebook, okay?
Really?
There will be 1,000
people.
sing. What's your name?
Mahendra Singh.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.